Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing mold lines and assembling the model in logical subassemblies so you can reach recesses. Once done, prime solid black. This preserves deep shadows. Next, apply a smooth deep blue base coat, thin your paint, and build 2 thin layers to avoid losing detail. Make sure to keep edges crisp by avoiding overworking paint. At the same time, plan where metallics and leather will go so you don't obscure panel lines later. You deepen tones with targeted glazing. Apply 3 very thin dark blue glazes into recesses to restore contrast lost by base coats. Then, once glazes dry, edge highlight with a lighter blue. Keep brush pressure light and use the edge of the brush so highlights are sharp. Meanwhile, address tusks, leather straps, and metallic areas now, because painting those after highlights avoids accidental smudges. Finally, prepare the face and helmet areas. You finish by painting skulls, lightening cracks, and iconography. Thin your paint 1:1 and sketch light strokes, building opacity slowly. Once details are done, protect the model with a matte varnish and add spot gloss to lenses or fresh blood for contrast. For weathering, use subtle chipping and grime, not overkill. If something goes wrong, lift the mistake with a damp brush, feather the edges, and reglaze to blend. This recovers highlights and keeps the finish coherent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.